Welcome to Review Lab. The best Airbrush Starter Kit is probably one of the most versatile and exciting tools for any aspiring artist or hobbyist looking to elevate their creative projects, offering a smooth, consistent application of color that traditional brushes simply can't match, making it perfect for everything from detailed model painting and custom apparel design to intricate cake decorating and flawless makeup application, truly unlocking a new dimension of artistic possibility and precision. Number 5. Master Airbrush G233 Performance Pro Airbrush Kit. Introducing the Master Airbrush G233 Performance Pro. This versatile tool is designed to bring your artistic visions to life with precision and ease. Equipped with 3 nozzle sets, it offers unparalleled control for everything from fine details to broader strokes. Achieve the perfect spray for any project. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this airbrush kit is perfect for a wide range of applications. It handles most paint types with exceptional results. Enjoy a comfortable grip and intuitive controls for adjusting paint flow. The cutaway handle makes cleaning quick and simple, so you can focus on your art. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to get started, including a braided air hose and quick disconnect fittings. It's ideal for hobbies, crafts, and professional art. As an industry leader, Master Airbrush stands behind its products. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year manufacturer warranty and dedicated customer support. What we like. This kit offers incredible versatility with multiple nozzle sizes for various spray patterns. Its cutaway handle allows for easy cleaning, and the quick disconnect feature adds convenience. If you're looking for an all-around performer for hobbies, crafts, or fine art, this is a solid choice. What people say. The airbrush itself is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it easy to maneuver for detailed work. It comes with a variety of nozzle sizes and needle caps, allowing for different spray patterns and applications. The cleaning process is straightforward, with all parts easily accessible for thorough rinsing. Number 4. Gocheer Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor. Introducing the Gocheer Airbrush Kit, your all-in-one solution for professional quality art and design. Experience high-pressure spray flow for a 60% performance boost, ensuring stable results for any project. Achieve perfect effects with our 3-gear adjustable air pressure, offering settings from 25 to 40 psi. Effortlessly control the spray to match your artistic vision. This dual-action airbrush allows for precise fluid control with its trigger. Regulate both pigment and air for a waste-free and efficient painting experience. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned artist, this kit is easy to master. It's ideal for a wide range of applications, from model coloring to makeup. Our non-clogging spray gun features an adjustable tailstock and interchangeable nozzles, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5 mm. Achieve smoother lines and impeccable detail with ease. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: an oil-water separator, cleaning tools, installation tools, and multiple cup capacities. It's designed to fulfill all your requirements. We stand by our product. If you encounter any issues, such as clogging or compressor problems, we're here to help resolve them quickly. What we like. Experience superior control with its 3-gear adjustable air pressure and a non-clogging spray gun for smooth operation. The high-pressure flow ensures excellent performance for detailed work. If you need precise pressure control for intricate tasks like model painting or cake decorating, this kit is ideal. What people say. The airbrush kit is very easy to use and clean, making it perfect for beginners. It comes with a variety of nozzle sizes, allowing for different spray patterns and applications. The included air compressor is quiet and portable, so you can use it anywhere without disturbing others. Number 3. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Airbrush Kit. Discover the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2, a comprehensive airbrushing system designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. It provides everything you need to bring your artistic visions to life. Experience superior performance with its powerful, yet cool running compressor. This allows for longer, continuous use without overheating, ensuring your creative flow is never interrupted. This kit includes 3 versatile airbrushes, catering to various needs. From gravity feed for fine detail to siphon feed for larger coverage, you have the right tool for every project. Perfect for a wide range of applications, including hobbies, crafts, temporary tattoos, cake decorating, and fine art. Achieve professional results on almost any surface. This multi-purpose system comes complete with essential accessories like a dual airbrush holder, cleaning brushes, and a color mixing wheel. It's a complete package to elevate your airbrushing experience. Invest in quality and reliability. Backed by a trusted brand, we are dedicated to your satisfaction, ensuring a hassle-free experience from purchase to creation. What we like. This system boasts a powerful dual-fan compressor designed for extended use without overheating. It comes with 3 distinct airbrushes, offering a wide range of applications. If you're a serious hobbyist or professional who needs reliability and versatility for long projects, this kit is built for you. What people say. The Airbrush Kit is easy to use and clean, making it a great option for beginners. It comes with multiple nozzle sizes, allowing for a variety of spray patterns and applications. The included air compressor is quiet and powerful, providing consistent airflow for smooth and even coverage. Number 2. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Dual Fan System. Introducing the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2, a complete airbrushing system designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. Experience superior performance and versatility for all your artistic needs. This system features a robust 1.5 horsepower compressor with dual cooling fans. It's engineered for extended use, running cooler and longer without overheating, ensuring uninterrupted creativity. Included are 3 of our best-selling airbrushes, 2 dual-action gravity feed models with 0.2 mm and 0.3 mm tips for detailed work, and a single-action siphon feed model with a 0.8 mm tip for broader coverage. From hobbies and crafts to intricate art and temporary tattoos, these airbrushes excel. They are compatible with most airbrush paints and media, making them ideal for a wide range of projects. This comprehensive kit includes the compressor, 3 versatile airbrushes, an airbrush holder, and a quick start guide. You'll have everything you need to begin airbrushing right away. Trust in a brand committed to your satisfaction. We ensure a hassle-free experience, so you can focus on bringing your artistic visions to life. What we like. Featuring a dual-fan compressor for cooler, longer operation, this kit includes multiple airbrushes for diverse needs. It's designed for consistent performance across various applications. If you value durability and the ability to switch between different airbrush types for detailed work, this is a great option. What people say. The airbrush gun is lightweight and comfortable to hold. The kit includes a variety of nozzle sizes, allowing for different spray patterns. The air compressor is quiet and produces a consistent airflow. Number 1. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Cake Decorating Kit. Elevate your cake decorating with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need to create stunning edible art. Experience powerful and consistent airflow with the dual-fan air compressor. It ensures smooth and precise application every time. This set comes with 2 high-quality airbrushes, perfect for intricate details or broader coverage. Switch between them effortlessly. Add a splash of color to your creations with 12 vibrant Chef Master food colors. They are specially formulated for baking and decorating. Designed for both beginners and experienced decorators, this kit is user-friendly. Cleaning is also a breeze, so you can focus on your art. From cupcakes to elaborate cakes, this all-in-one package has you covered. It's the perfect tool to bring your sweetest visions to life. What we like. Specifically curated for cake decorating, this kit includes a dual-fan compressor and a set of food-grade colors. It's designed to make your edible creations stand out. If you're passionate about cake artistry and want a comprehensive set to elevate your designs, this is the perfect starting point. What people say. The airbrush gun is lightweight and comfortable to hold. The kit includes a variety of nozzle sizes, allowing for different spray patterns. The airbrush is easy to clean and maintain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.